YouTube. Y'all have no idea what is coming. Well, some of you might, because y'all are smart. But, I mean, you know, you gotta stay tuned to find out. But, you know, today, it's just a chill day. I'm gonna be installing some little mods, here and there mods. So, yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna be giving an update at the end of the video on the parts and everything and what the timeline is looking like. So, yeah, hopefully y'all enjoy the video. As y'all can see, it is officially spring. The pollen is all over the car. Y'all know my car sits outside. One of the things that I'm gonna be putting is my Jesus is King is back on. I'll show y'all how to put that on. It's real easy. But man, look at this pollen. That is just crazy. I'm gonna have to get them washed and put the cover on it for now. But just know, take a good look, because he ain't gonna look like this for long. Alright y'all, so yet again, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Wind is blowing like crazy today. So, I'm going for maybe right here in the middle somewhere. So I'm gonna get this a quick wipe off, just to get the surface dirt off. Look at that, y'all see the difference? That joke is crazy. Pollen, bro, pollen. I'm gonna hit it with some good old window cleaner. Y'all see it? Alright, we're gonna wipe this off. Make sure it's nice and clean. That looks good. Alright bro, so this thing is literally like a sticker. You peel it off, make sure it sticks to the top layer, put it on where you want it to go, make sure the surface is clean, read it left to right, and you good. But, hey, listen to this beat. About to rap on this thing. Hey, 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 yes sir, hey. Always say that Jesus is the king. Look to him, cause he give me everything. Only date if he talking about a ring. Oh yeah, oh stop playing with me, boy. Sit down. Yes sir, ski. Alright, so the Jesus is King is back. It is a little off. If you can see it, you can see it. If you can't, then cool, that's good. Alright y'all, so my mom bought me this steering wheel cover. Fun fact, I had the same exact steering wheel cover in that car over there. Also got to install this cool little thing, because that's what I use to record all my videos, but I wanted to have a different angle, so I'm gonna install this as well. All right, y'all, so I had to put the steering wheel cover in the dryer, so let's install this thing. While that thing is drying, I'm not trying to mount it like that. Like, I just want the suction cup joint. It says it's holding up the whole camera, so we're gonna see. You're supposed to clean the window, but I'm not doing all that right now. I'm supposed to like hold it in place. Like, I don't know, Brad. It seemed kind of flimsy to me, but all right, y'all, it's on there and it's holding really good actually. And the good thing is I can release it and put it somewhere else, release it, put it somewhere else. So I'll probably use this for like GoPro footage or something. I was thinking about putting my camera up here to finish out this video, but I don't know if that's gonna work. I'm gonna have to try a different angle and maybe it'll work. But yeah, pretty much that's it, y'all. So now I can get some footage of my dash and we can do all of the videos I've been planning to do but haven't been able to do. All right, you guys, so I got everything installed. Everything is put into the car. The steering wheel, the doohickey, whatever this is called, the radar, the Jesus is King. Those are really the only mods I can put on right now. I know y'all seen something in the thumbnail. Don't worry, I didn't put it on this video, but it is going on very, 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 very soon. I will be putting that on very soon. Like I said, I have stuff coming for the car tomorrow. I have another big box in the garage that I'm not gonna show you. Yeah, so I'm very appreciative. I am working on things on the car right now. I'm just waiting on parts. I gotta order more parts. Well, I gotta wait on some things. I gotta buy some more things. And then this car is really gonna change, guys. I have some big stuff planned for it, so stay tuned. Make sure you guys share the video. Shout out to all of my new subscribers. I appreciate all of y'all. I love all of y'all. Yeah, these mods are gonna change the game. We are really trying to go different with this build. I'm not trying to look like every other charger out there. Even to the eye, like I'm not gonna look like every other charger out there, because I'm just different. I'm a different type of person. Like I said, I appreciate you guys for watching the video. I appreciate all of your love, all of your support. To the new subscribers, make sure y'all watch the old videos. Actually, if you watch some of the old videos, you might know which direction I'm headed into the build and stuff like that. But like I said, thank you guys. Make sure y'all turn on the bell notifications, subscribe, tell your mama, your sister, your auntie, all your Mopar addicts and Mopar fanatics. I want to let you guys know that if you can beat your mind, you can beat the world. Much love to you and yours. God bless.